Tungsten radiation shielding are radiation shields made of flexible heat-resistant shields immersed in silicone polymer ferrotungsten metal powder. Studies have confirmed that the radiation protection ability is closely related to the material density, and the higher the density, the better the shielding performance. Tungsten-based alloy has a large density, so its shielding performance is very high. And tungsten alloy has not been found to be harmful to people or the environment in long-term use.